In this video, we will explore 12 bad driving habits that can significantly damage your diesel engine. Are you expecting your diesel to last for years without ever keeping up with scheduled maintenance? Are you continuing to drive without investigating that warning light, assuming it's just a sensor glitch? Are you starting your diesel and hitting the road without warming up and wondering why your engine sounds louder and wears out faster? Stick around because by the end of this video, you will be equipped with valuable insights to protect your investment and keep your engine running smoothly for years to come. Let's get started. Number 12. Ignoring regular maintenance. Neglecting regular maintenance on diesel engines can have serious consequences that can jeopardize both performance and longevity. One of the most critical aspects of maintenance is timely oil changes and filter replacement. Diesel engines rely on clean oil to lubricate moving parts and prevent wear and tear. Failing to change the oil regularly can lead to sludge build-up, reduced efficiency, and ultimately engine failure. This neglect can result in costly repairs that could have been easily avoided with a simple maintenance schedule. Additionally, dirty filters can restrict airflow and fuel delivery, further straining the engine. To protect your investment and ensure your diesel engine runs smoothly, it's essential to adhere to a maintenance schedule. Regular checkups not only enhance performance but also save you money in the long run by preventing major issues from arising. Number 11. Overloading the vehicle. Overloading your vehicle can significantly strain a diesel engine, leading to a host of performance issues. When a diesel engine is burdened with excess weight, it struggles to operate efficiently, resulting in decreased fuel economy and sluggish acceleration. This added strain can cause the engine to work harder than intended, increasing the likelihood of overheating. Overheating not only affects engine performance, but also accelerates wear on critical components, leading to premature failure. Additionally, the transmission and suspension systems may also suffer under the weight, compounding the potential for costly repairs. To ensure the longevity and reliability of your diesel engine, it's crucial to adhere to the manufacturer's weight limit. By respecting these guidelines, you can maintain optimal performance and avoid the detrimental effects of overloading, ultimately protecting your investments for years to come. Number 10. Frequent short trips. Taking frequent short trips can have detrimental effects on diesel engines that many drivers may overlook. Diesel engines are designed to operate efficiently at optimal temperatures, but short trips often prevent them from reaching this ideal state. When the engine doesn't warm up sufficiently, it can lead to incomplete combustion, resulting in the build-up of harmful carbon deposits in the combustion chamber and exhaust system. Over time, these deposits can hinder engine performance and fuel efficiency, leading to costly repairs. Additionally, the engine oil may not reach its ideal operating temperature, reducing its ability to lubricate effectively. To maintain engine health, it's advisable to incorporate longer drives into your routine. Longer trips allow the engine to reach and maintain optimal temperatures, promoting better combustion and reducing the risk of carbon build-up, ultimately extending the life of your diesel engine. Number 9. Neglecting fuel quality. Using high-quality diesel fuel is essential for the optimal performance and longevity of your diesel engine. Poor fuel quality can lead to a range of issues, particularly injector problems. Contaminated or low-grade fuel can cause injectors to clog, resulting in reduced fuel efficiency and engine power. Additionally, one of the significant risks associated with poor fuel quality is water contamination. Water in diesel fuel can lead to corrosion and rust within the fuel system, further exacerbating injector issues and potentially causing severe engine damage. To protect your investment and ensure smooth operation, it's crucial to choose reputable fuel stations that provide high-quality diesel. By prioritizing fuel quality, you can minimize the risk of costly repairs and maintain the efficiency and reliability of your diesel engine, ultimately enhancing your driving experience. Number 8. Ignoring warning lights. Ignoring dashboard warning lights can lead to serious consequences for your diesel engine. These lights serve as crucial indicators of potential engine issues, alerting you to problems that require immediate attention. When a warning light appears, it often signifies that something is amiss, whether it's low oil pressure, overheating, or a malfunctioning component. Failing to address these problems promptly can result in more severe damage, leading to costly repairs and even complete engine failure. It's essential to take these warnings seriously and not dismiss them as mere inconveniences. If a warning light illuminates on your dashboard, it's advisable to consult a mechanic as soon as possible. A professional can diagnose the issue accurately and recommend the necessary repairs, ensuring your diesel engine remains in optimal condition and preventing further complications down the road. Number 7. Driving aggressively. Aggressive driving habits can significantly harm diesel engines, leading to a range of performance issues. Rapid acceleration and hard braking put immense strain on the engine and its component, causing unnecessary wear and tear. This erratic driving style forces the engine to work harder, which can lead to overheating and increased maintenance needs. Additionally, aggressive driving often results in higher fuel consumption as the engine struggles to keep up with the demands of sudden speed changes. This not only affects your wallet, but also contributes to a decrease in overall engine efficiency. To promote better engine health, it's essential to adopt smoother driving habits. Gradual acceleration and gentle braking can help maintain optimal engine performance, reduce fuel consumption, and extend the lifespan of your diesel engine. By driving more calmly, you can protect your investment and enjoy a more efficient driving experience. Number 6. Neglecting cooling system. Maintaining the cooling system is crucial for the health and longevity of your diesel engine. Overheating can lead to severe damage to engine components, including warped cylinder heads, blown gaskets, and even complete engine failure. A properly functioning cooling system ensures that the engine operates at optimal temperatures. Preventing these costly issues, regular coolant checks are essential to ensure that the system is filled to the appropriate levels and the coolant is in good condition. Additionally, it's important to watch for any signs of leaks or temperature fluctuations. If you notice a drop in coolant levels or the temperature gauge rising unexpectedly, it could indicate a problem that needs immediate attention. By prioritizing the maintenance of your cooling system, you can protect your diesel engine from overheating and ensure its reliable performance for years to come. Number 5. Using incorrect oil. Using the wrong engine oil can pose significant risks to your diesel engine's performance and longevity. Engine oil plays a vital role in lubrication, ensuring that moving parts operate smoothly and efficiently. Incorrect oil can compromise this lubrication, leading to inadequate protection against friction and heat. As a result, the engine may experience increased wear and tear on critical components, which can ultimately lead to costly repairs or even engine failure. Additionally, using oil that doesn't meet the manufacturer's specifications can affect fuel efficiency and overall engine performance. To safeguard your investment and maintain optimal engine health, it's essential to use the oil recommended by the manufacturer. This ensures that your diesel engine receives the proper lubrication it needs to function effectively, reducing the risk of damage and extending its lifespan. Always check your owner's manual for the correct oil specifications before making a purchase. Number 4. Neglecting exhaust system. A well-maintained exhaust system is crucial for the optimal performance of your diesel engine. Issues within the exhaust system can lead to significant engine performance problems, including reduced power and efficiency when exhaust gases cannot flow freely due to blockages or leaks. It can create back pressure that hampers engine function. Additionally, neglecting the exhaust system can result in increased emissions, which not only harms the environment but may also lead to failing emissions tests. Furthermore, a compromised exhaust system produces excessive noise, making your vehicle less pleasant to drive and potentially drawing unwanted attention. To avoid these issues, it's essential to conduct regular inspections of your exhaust system. By identifying and addressing problems early, you can ensure that your diesel engine operates smoothly, maintains compliance with emissions standards, and provides a quieter, more efficient driving experience. Number 3, skipping warm-up time. Allowing your diesel engine to warm up is essential for its longevity and performance. Cold start can lead to increased engine wear as the oil has not yet reached its optimal temperature and viscosity. When the engine is cold, lubrication is inadequate, which means that moving parts do not receive the protection they need. This can result in premature wear and tear, ultimately shortening the engine's lifespan. Proper lubrication is crucial for ensuring that all components operate smoothly and efficiently. To mitigate these risks, it's advisable to let your engine idle briefly before driving. This warm-up period allows the oil to circulate and reach critical areas, ensuring that the engine is adequately lubricated. By taking the time to warm up your diesel engine, you can enhance its performance, reduce wear, and promote a healthier, more reliable engine over time. Number 2, poor driving conditions. Driving in harsh conditions can significantly affect the performance and longevity of diesel engines. Extreme temperatures, whether hot or cold, can put additional stress on engine components. In cold weather, oil can thicken, making it harder for the engine to start and increasing wear during initial operation. Conversely, high temperatures can lead to overheating, which can cause severe damage. Additionally, rough terrain can exacerbate wear and tear on the engine and other vehicle systems, leading to potential failures. It's essential to adjust your driving habits accordingly when faced with challenging conditions. For instance, allowing your engine to warm up properly in cold weather and reducing speeds on rough roads can help mitigate damage. By being mindful of your environment and adapting your driving style, you can protect your diesel engine from the adverse effects of harsh conditions and ensure its reliable performance. Number 1, neglecting air filters. Maintaining clean air filters is essential for the optimal performance of your diesel engine. Dirty air filters can significantly restrict airflow, preventing the engine from receiving the necessary amount of clean air for combustion. This restriction can lead to a decrease in engine efficiency as the engine struggles to perform at its best with inadequate airflow. The impact of a clogged air filter extends beyond just airflow. It can also affect fuel efficiency. When the engine cannot breathe properly, it may consume more fuel to compensate for the lack of air, leading to high operating costs and reduced mileage. Additionally, poor airflow can result in incomplete combustion, which can cause increased emissions and potential long-term damage to engine components. To avoid these issues, it's crucial to regularly inspect and replace air filters as part of your maintenance routine. By ensuring that your air filters are clean, you can enhance fuel efficiency, improve engine performance, and prolong the life of your diesel engine. Remember, a well-ventilated engine is a happy engine. After introducing these bad driving habits that destroy your diesel engine, which one surprised you the most? Comment below and share your takes.